Hello everyone, hello and welcome to Dad's well, unboxing in a way. Yeah, today in Ireland and in parts of Europe is the big launch day of the PlayStation 5. So, and I was lucky enough to get one, you know. What did it cost me? Everything, to quote Thanos. You know, got rid of a few collectibles, but that's okay. So, because I wasn't going to sell my Star Wars PS4, which you will see later in on social media in a post, in a photo, comparing sizes. But for now, yeah, for now, this is a new family member that will be cherished for probably around 7 to 8 years until PlayStation 6 comes out. So let's unbox this hobby. Are you a peeler or are you a cutter? Huh? Let's see if we can peel this sticker or if we should cut, huh? Well, we're peeling. We are peeling. Let me just check that you guys can see. Let's put this over here. So, didn't take off much of the blue. So, okay. They're definitely sticking with the big boxes, seeing that the Star Wars box for the PlayStation 4 also was pretty gigantic. I thought they just made it bigger because let's put this here, because they probably had some kind of deal that, you know, Star Wars needs to be shown or something like that. So where did it go from here? Put it back up, open it here. And once everything is updated and transferred and all of that, I'll be doing the stream hopefully tonight. So what do we have? We have our guides. Yeah, here, quick start guides and safety guide. Pop them to the side. Well, the guarantee or the warranty. Ooh, here. A big moment, huh? Let's see how this, looks very Avengers Endgame, doesn't it? You know, all it would need is some red in there, and then we'd have some Endgame going on. Triggers feel nice, even when it's not plugged in. Yeah, we still have a touch field, that's also good. So, now, let's pop this baby back in, so when I transport it over into the living room later, nothing happens to it. So, power cable, standard, of course. What else? Oh, in here, what do we have? What else is in here? We have the charging cable. You know, here, charging. For more power. Then we have the stand. Ooh, let's see the stand. Let's see the stand. Okay, so we can pop it standing up or sideways. I'm gonna go standing up. So, pop this to the side. Here we have an HDMI cable. I have a free HDMI cable anyway, so I'm just going to leave that in there. So let me just pop these back in here. I'm also going to put all the booklets inside, because that's where I prefer them to be. So let's get this baby back together the way it was. So, okay, raise it up a bit behind, huh? And this thing here as well. So let's just move this stuff over here. So, perfect. Now, pop this It has come. Let's get this baby out, huh? Oh, yeah. Wait. So, yeah. Yes, I do dad sounds all the time. In case you're wondering, because I am a dad. So, okay. Well, let's roll this baby around. And here it is. It has been mocked like the top of Seto Kaiba's coat and like uniform, or so as you can see, I went with the disc version because I prefer a disc to digital still. A lot of the times, not always. Here, the lovely PlayStation logo. Let's see if I can bring this up a bit. PlayStation logo, yeah. And here are all our connections. It's actually pretty heavy. So, but as you can see, it looks pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So that's all the components we need. We have our console, we have our controller, and we have our stand. And then the cables that we need. And yeah, that's it. So we're all set to hook this baby up and put it through its paces, huh? With a bit of Bugsnax, Astrobot, Spider-Man, and Demon Souls, of course. Well, sorry for that. Let me put that to the side. Oh yeah, and here a little tease from my son. Well, he's 3, so he's not on social media, thank God. So this is his Christmas present from me, or from us. He's 3, so see, 3 years, or 0 and up. Can't wait to see his face when he gets to play Super Mario for the first time. But yeah, so let's see, maybe you can see me here, I hope so. Yeah, that's it. Can't wait to play these puppies and then retire the PS4 for now. There is a PlayStation 5 streaming app or remote play app for the PS4, so maybe someday it'll come back out in that way. But for now, yeah, that's it. As always, I'm your Steve. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and hit like and subscribe and the little bell at the bottom of the video. And yeah, why don't you head on over to Patreon and become a patron for $5 or €5. Can't remember what I said it, but a $5, which probably doesn't hurt you per month, but it would greatly help me, you know, keep all this happy stuff going. So oh, and while I'm at it, why don't you head on over to full-circle-book.com. This is where you can buy my first ever novel and read 2 short stories that I've written. Yeah, it's sci-fi, it's time travel, it's a shorter book, but it's my first one. So the second one will be longer, which I'm currently working on. But I digress. Thank you for watching. I'm your Steve from Proudly D.A.D, and I am out. Peace, whatever, whichever.